Thank you, Chair, His Excellency Suresh Prabhu, former Union Minister of India, for the introduction. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear colleagues, Excellencies, friends, ladies and gentlemen. First, I'd like to thank for the privilege of speaking today at the 8th Indian Ocean Conference, jointly organized by Oman's Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the India Foundation here in the Sultanate of Oman. My appreciation also goes to His Excellency Sayyid Badar bin Hamad Al Busaidi, the Foreign Minister of Oman, and his very able team of officials for the excellent arrangements and hospitality extended to me and my delegation. Your Excellencies, colleagues, it is an honor to discuss a critical topic close to my heart and relevant to our time, the amplification of the voice of the Global South. A select few do not solely drive change, adaptation, and advancement, but rather through the concerted efforts of many, particularly through the united front presented by nations of the Global South. The Global South is also, at the same time, facing immense challenges, including climate change, economic inequality, and political instability. Effectively addressing these issues requires not just a few nations, but a widespread collaboration effort spearheaded by regional groupings in the Indo-Pacific. One such grouping which I shall share is the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN. Since its inception in 1967, ASEAN has become a major geopolitical force with a unique consensus-based decision-making process. This methodology, while sometimes considered slow, ensures that all voices are heard, fostering deeper cooperation and preventing conflicts. ASEAN has also been central to significant economic and security cooperations. The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP, and security platforms like the ASEAN Regional Forum, or ARF, have respectively enhanced our connectivity with major global markets and strengthened our capability to manage regional and global security issues, including maritime security and transnational crimes. Furthermore, ASEAN's mediation strategies, such as those outlined in the ASEAN Outlook on the Indo-Pacific, facilitate balanced and cooperative developments. A specific area where ASEAN plays a crucial mediating role is in the South China Sea, an extension of the Indian Ocean through the Straits of Malacca. The ongoing negotiations for a code of conduct in the South China Sea are a testament to ASEAN's pivotal role in regional peace and stability, as well as ensuring the unhindered transit of goods in the world. A key part of our discussion in ASEAN has always been the unwavering commitment to the rule of law and a rules-based international order. It is crucial that this commitment is universally upheld. The principles of international law, whether it be UNCLOS, whether it be the UN Charter, under the WTO, or under the UNFCCC, must apply equally across all nations, including those in the global north. This is essential, not only for justice, but also for maintaining global stability. All nations, regardless of their power or economic status, must be accountable for upholding these rules. Looking forward, ASEAN's Vision 2045 aims to build a more integrated and resilient community that is focused on inclusivity and sustainability, enhancing living standards and contributing to broader global development. In closing, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, ASEAN plays a pivotal role not just regionally, but also as a significant advocate to the Global South by fostering dialogue and cooperation through consultation and consensus building towards a balanced, inclusive, and sustainable order. I hope that we can provide and share with you in the Indian Ocean region some of our experiences as we work together in the future. Thank you, Your Excellencies.